What up, yo? What's up? What's happening? What's cracking? It's Hope for the treasure hunter right here. You know how we moving, man. If it makes no money, it makes no sense. What up? Yeah, man, that's what's popping right now. Today I don't feel myself that well. I don't know why what's popping with me. Felt a bit tired. But if it's shooting day, dropping day, I don't have a choice, but I gotta do it. Feel me? Yeah, man. Yo, it's been a minute. But I'm here right now, you feel me? Yeah, you know me. Don't like wasting time. Let's just jump straight into trading news. Trading news, man. Let's jump straight into it. Hey, man. Yes, you're up. News fundamentals. So here's the thing, you feel me? Right here, we're gonna be looking at the rest involved and what? And the directions and risk involved to trade these events. What am I talking about? You may hear actually, um, what's this thing called? Damn, I said a thing, my bad. You may hear traders, you feel me, or people who are trading or into the trading space or the Walmart market or in the Walmart, you feel me? The Walmart, nah, Wall Street, yeah. You may hear them saying something like them CPIs, what's this, NFP, yo kind of thing, those events, you feel me? You're gonna hear them saying those kind of things. So right here, it's what I'm gonna cover and understand them. You feel me? Yeah, that's the reason actually I started this type of trading thing. You feel me? Because I understood a lot of people talk about Forex. What are they trading? Like, but people don't understand. People don't know what is CPR. People don't understand what is N. Because I once asked, who's this? I was on the YouTube live. Then I commented. I was like, "What is CPR?" If me and this nigga, I won't drop his name. And this nigga said, "Hey man, check it. If you don't know what is CPI, don't trade it. It's crazy, dog. You feel me? But it is what it is. You feel me? You just needed to tell me what is CPI, what does it mean? Because I know that NFP, CPI, or PPI, or whatever, it's um it's an abbreviation. It has a name. But I'm gonna drop that right here on this video. You feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna drop it. Let me waste no time. You feel me? So why trade news? Why trade news? You feel me? We can say it's because what's this thing? Economic news now releases often cause like sharp, immediate price movements in the currency pairs. That's what happens when you're trading. You feel me? Like you can see what's this thing? Pips going 50 to 100 and you think it's easy moolah. It's not. You feel me? Even if you can watch news and jump in, it's not still. It's a like there's a lot that goes into this, into the research, you feel me? Yeah. So we're gonna be looking at 5 stages of trading news, of why trade news. You feel me? Or trading news. We're gonna looking at 5 stages. You feel me? So let's jump into those 5 stages. Hey, first one, it's volatility. So volatility means opportunity. Yes. Hey, you, this thing of volatility now, I'm gonna be for real with you. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking at my notes a lot. Listen up, you feel me? I can't be holding this info on my brain. I just need to jump into the chat and do this. This is why I like trading. You know. But anyway, volatility equals opportunity. Volatility to me, it was right. It was like writing. No, not writing. It was like putting resistance and support into the chat. or into the chat. Why? Because I didn't understand it, and a lot of traders been busy talking about it. How stupid is that? You feel me? I was stupid because I didn't understand. Why? Because same people that I told you about, actually, same people that I told you about, people who know forex. Like, I don't know why people gatekeep this shit as if it's not there on the net. If you can scroll down YouTube, search whatever, search volatility, they're gonna tell you what's happening. Like, as if it's not there. You stupid fuck. But we not there. So new news events like interest rates decisions, inflation data, and employment reports, often lead to large spikes in price. This volatility creates short-term profit opportunities for us scalpers. You feel me? Yeah, scalpers and day traders. Remember, um okay, I think I did not tell you this one. I'm a scalper. You feel me? Yeah, I'm a scalper trader. Then there's someone who's a day trader that's a friend of mine. You feel me? Yeah, even though, man, I feel for some type of way calling him a friend. But yeah, he's a day trader. You feel me? Yeah, he's scalper. I can't put him in that. You feel me? But I wanna be a sniper. So let's jump into the next one. They talking fundamental impact. Yes, fundamental impact. So this is economic news reflects economic news now reflects the health of the country's economy. Remember, I told you about the country's economy, the health of it, and influencing central bank decisions. Example, let's say higher inflation, inflation may lead to rates hikes, which is a bullish for currency, correct? Yes. Then weak job data might trigger rates cuts. Now you have to flip it, because that's a bearish what's this thing for currency. You feel me? Yes, man, that's what happens. So that's a fundamental impact. That's what happens. Remember, don't forget it, because the what's this thing? The news, the economic news. We're talking about economy right here. So the economic news reflects the health of a country's economy. What does that do? It influences central banks' decisions. You feel me? That's what happens when this shit happens. Like I gave you the example, you feel me? I don't like repeating myself, but just take the video back and try to understand a bit. That's it for fundamental impact. Predictable schedule. Predictable schedule. I don't know which one is correct. Schedule or schedule, I don't know. But predictable, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to pronounce it, it doesn't matter. It's not up to me. You feel me? I don't care. It doesn't matter. But major news events are released on fixed calendars. Why? So that traders can prepare strategies in advance. You feel me? So, example, first Friday, US and non-farm or non-farm payrolls released. Boom, that's what happens. You feel me? Yes, that's for predictable schedule right there. You feel me? That's what happens. That's for, like, they're released on a fixed calendar. Yes, that's why you see traders going 8 mode when but NFP has to do with a week. I'm coming to NFP, so listen up. Let's jump to the next one. Now let's jump into strong direction movements. Remember the trend going crazy, like the candlesticks going 8 mode. What happens as the strong directional moves? Why? So unlike the random price movements, news often, like what happens, they provide a clear direction. If data, if data is much better or worse than expected, markets can trend strongly in one direction. That's what can happen. Feel me? Yeah, maybe you didn't get that. if data is much better or worse than expected, market can trend strongly in one direction. Remember right here, I'm trying to tell you the strong direction movements. You feel me? No, moves, but it's the same movements. Jump to the next one. Ooh. Reaction to surprise. Yes. Market moves most when the actual result is different from their focus. Traders aim to what? To catch these moves caused by the surprise. That's what traders do. What am I trying to understand right here? So traders right here, they aim to catch these moves. These moves. Remember, these are reaction. What's this thing? Reaction to surprise. So what do traders do? They aim to catch those moves caused by the surprise. You feel me? So because like the market moves most when the actual result is different from the forecast, so the market moves. I think that's it. Worldwide trade news. Yo, man, check it. Let me make you understand something right here. Let me make you understand something right here. So these are popular news events to trade. Remember, I told you about NFP. So what is NFP? And I dropped it by mistake. I didn't want to drop it at whatever. So remember, I told you about news that dropped on scheduled calendar, shit like that, whatever. So there's an NFP. What does NFP mean? It's a non farm payroll, so it has to do with US employment data. You feel me? That's NFP. Those are the news you need to trade. Don't worry where you're going to get them. I got you on that one, but not on this video, I guess. I'm not sure. Yeah, not on this video. You feel me? Then we have CPI or PPI. You see me? You feel me? So that's for inflation reports. Then we have GDP, growth report. You know what is GDP. Then we have interest rate decision. That's the central banks. Those for the central banks like the Fed or the ECB. Then we have the retail sales, the PMI, and unemployment claims. That's what we have. You feel me? Yes. That's what we have on the events to trade. News or event to trade. The day trading events. That's what we have. We have 5 of those. We have 5 to trade. Those are the news you have to check out. Because I can say go trade news. The news like it's a lot. So you can't just trade. You can't just jump in and trade. No. Because you find like 5 or 10, but you need to choose 5, not almost over 10. That's a lot. You're gonna be a day trader, not a day trader. What's those other traders? I forgot. Shoot, that's a lot. How can I forget names of traders, dog? But I'm a scalper. Then there's a day trader. Then there's shoot. I forgot. I focus on me too much. But I'm coming with that name. Listen up. Boom. Now, in closing, I want to put this one out there. The caution. The cautious. You feel me? So take notes. Trading news also involves high risks. Yes, it's the same. It's trading. You're trading, broski. But this thing of not knowing, forgetting what weekly, what does the trader that trades for holds for a week, for a month, for a year, for years, something like that. Forgetting their names, it doesn't sit right with me. The problem right here in my mind, I'm busy like sniper trader. You feel me? But we know this story for a different day. So remember, caution. Slippage, you may not get your desired price. That's what happens. You feel me? For spread widens. The spread widens, yes. Brokers often increase spreads during news. Yes, man. Brokers act up on the, what do they call this thing? On events. When there's events, brokers go like, what the hell is going on with you guys? You feel me? You're gonna be like that, like, what the hell is going on with my broker? You feel me? So that's a spread widening, so meaning spread increase during this events. You feel me? Because not just any other day. Remember what happens with news. News can move, like can make the market go ape mode. You feel me? Yes. Remember, there's a lot going on right there. If you remember, it has to do with the country's economic health. You feel me? It's a lot. It's a country. It's not just people or businesses. You feel me? Yes. So whipsaws name. Price can reverse quickly after the initial spike. Spikes. You need to be. A lot of traders get bamboozled when it comes to spikes. They get like, what the hell is going on when it comes to spikes? They're super dangerous, honestly. But that's it for this video. I don't want it to be crazy super long. So yeah, man, I guess this is me, Hope the treasure hunter right here. I'm signing out. You know what you gotta do. I'm gone.